Hi, this is Dave Schoaf from beautiful downtown Toledo, Ohio in the US, and I'm going to show you my project. It's number 5 in the Bootcamp Day 2 list assignments. So the requirements were to make a multiplication table for numbers 1 through 10. It was pretty easy. I just created a tuple and loaded it up with the numbers 1 through 10. Those are the factors. And then I created a list called prod list. That's where I'm going to store the results of the multiplication for each iteration through the factor. And I have a little string there that I'm going to use to build out the output. So for I in factor, I'm going to clear my string, or at least set it to blank. Then I'm going to clear prod list, which is where I'm going to store the results of one line worth of multiplication. And then for j in factor, so I'm actually iterating factor twice in each pass through here. I'm going to set prod equal to factor I minus 1 times factor j minus 1. And then I have a value, prod list. I'll just append that output to prod list. Then after I get through all 10 of the iteration j, I will iterate through that prod list and build a little string and then send that string to output. So let's just clear the output here and give it a run. Runs pretty quick. And there's my table. Pretty tiny in this interface. Here's a request to the developers for PictoBlox. If you could make it possible to make this output a little bigger and maybe a little darker, it would be a lot easier, I think, to use this tool. But that's what I've got. Thanks a lot.